Just very recently, I saw one post. Numbers may be different, but one businessman to do lunch with Warren Buffett, he paid $1 million or $10 million. I'm not, that numbers may not correct, may not be. I didn't remember. $1 million he spent to do lunch with Warren Buffett. Remember that. For the people, who are giving very importance for the money, they don't know about this internal intention. Array, spending 1 hour or half an hour time with such type of richest person, if we learn one small point from that person, for my lifetime, that point is going to be helpful. That a bloody $10 million is nothing when compared with that learning. That feeling, you should have. Array, just for doing lunch, $10 million is required. A number of people are having this type of question in your mind. But here, the point you should be aware. Dhirubhai Ambani, I told right, his monthly salary is 500 rupees. In the 250 rupees, you will go to the 5-star hotel to take one tea. Array, his salary is 500 rupees only. In that 250 rupees is spending just to take one tea in the 5-star hotel. Array, the remaining people are going to feel that this person is the mental person. Like half of the salary is going to spend only for one tea. But internal intention, observe that. How the rich people are going to behave, how the rich people are going to think, how the rich people are going to communicate with each other. Like all these things, this person is going to get just by spending the time with them. Obviously, he became India's number one. That mentality you people should require to have. Okay, don't think too much about the money. To learn the skill, sir, if really that skill is going to be helpful for me, I'm ready to pay 10 lakh rupees also, no problem. Such type of guts you should have. Just for every spending, what is the need? Can I learn on my own? Can I learn this? An expert 10 minutes time is going to save your months of time. That's why I highly recommended dosto. So use money as a tool. Use money as a tool. Use money to solve the problems. Don't solve with the stress, with the fully loaded.